Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Windows Defender settings for real-time protection. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Windows Security in the search bar. Select the Windows Security app from the search results. Once the app opens, look for the Virus and Threat Protection icon and click on it. In the Virus and Threat Protection window, locate the Manage Settings link under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Click on the Manage Settings link to access the configuration options. Find the Real-Time Protection toggle switch. If it is turned off, click the switch to turn it on. A notification may appear, confirming that real-time protection is now on. Next, scroll down to the Exclusions section if you want to add any exceptions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Choose whether you want to add an exclusion for folders, files, file types, or processes. Select the type of exclusion you wish to add and follow the prompts. Ensure that the cloud-delivered protection is also enabled for increased security. Verify that the automatic sample submission is turned on as well. This allows Microsoft to analyze potential threats and improve Windows Defender. Once you have adjusted the settings to your preference, close the Windows Security app. Your Windows Defender is now configured for optimal real-time protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.